Hello and welcome to the unboxing, or should I say the unpacking of the Gear 30-liter laptop backpack. So this is what the laptop bag looks like. Let me give you a closer look. There you go. This is the black variant. If you take a closer look, you will notice that this surface is a waterproof surface, and not just that, almost a lot of padding as well. The shoulder straps have padding over here, as you can see, as with the backrest. So this is an important part. The laptop will be right underneath. And there are a lot of pouches as well. For instance, there is 1, 2, 3 and 4 pouches, along with 2 side pouches for holding bottles or hand sanitizer, bottles of water, hand sanitizer. So now let's quickly take a look. By the way, a lot of straps over here as well. So yeah, I don't think this is a functional strap. This is more like an ornamental one, but still. Also, the zippers have a unique design to it. As you can see, this is a nice touch. Let's quickly take a look at this zipper. So this zipper is for smaller stationeries and stuff. Over here you can put, say, a notebook, couple of pens, and smaller notebooks or larger notebook as well, depending on your preference. This pouch over here, this is like a longish pouch. This can carry clothes even if you want to. There's a lot of space here, but you can say if you have a charger or a headphone, then you can put this over here. Let's see what's here. Okay, this is a much larger pouch. Notice that over here you have a smaller pouch as well. You can put your identifications if you want to. You can put your identification in the front pouch as well, but this looks like a more secure pouch, so makes sense. And you can put other stuff over here. Suppose you're carrying clothes, that can go over here. And this is where the laptop goes in, as it is evident from this laptop sleeve over here. So I have a couple of stuff with me, including a laptop. So let's just start putting them in. So this is a 15.6-inch laptop. I'll see if this fits over here. It should fit. It's a 30-liter backpack. It's a lot of space, as you can see. This fit in just perfectly. Suppose the charger can go in over here as well. A lot of space. What can we put here? Let's say I put my headphone over here. Because ideally you should put clothes, but I don't have clothes with me to show them to you. Identifications can go over here. So suppose I have a passport. So the passport can go in over here if you want to. And this pouch can carry, say, my mobile charger, like so. I'm gonna keep this over here. And this pouch can carry my notebooks. If I have, say, there are a lot of pouches here, the smaller pouch over here, and these pens can go in this other small pouch over here. Now to close them up, let's see. And I will also attach this hand sanitizer to the side pouch over here. And there you go. There's still a lot of space. I mean, you can see there's a lot of space, still quite a bit of space. This is, after all, a 30-liter backpack. And that's it. This is what you find inside the pack containing the Gear 30-liter laptop backpack. Thank you for watching.